thank you. Say good. Yeah, siya raw mag-lock ng car. Okay? Yeah. See ya. Ha? Ganda siya.
It's been a day.
Okay na siya. Dalhin niya raw yung baby niya ulit. Okay, careful. Okay, you go shut it. Okay, let's go. Sarado na yung best and less. Come on, Baba. Dito na lang ako sa Kmart. Come on. Okay, come on here. No, we don't need that one, Baba. Let's go. Hurry up. Saan ka na? No, you don't need to sit down. Come on. So, dito kayo sa Kmart and may nakita akong eto ba, pampatong, pang inner kasi meron akong mga maxi dress na maninipis. So, eto, pwede to. Para sa panloob, para hindi kita yung, alam nyo na, come on, Baba! Pa tayo nitong isa. Ayun. Baby, come on! So, may nakuha akong damit ni Holly and, ayan, merong swimsuit para sa akin. Ha? You like pink? Let me see. Gusto niya raw yun. Okay. Akin na. Anong size ba to? This is size 2, Baba. You have to get size 3. May size 3 ba? Wala nang size 3. Size 5 ang nandito. Tsaka 1. Okay. Can you try this? Maliit to kay Holly. Wala na siyang size 3. Put that back, Baba. Pinulot niya yung nahulog ko. Good job, Baba. Okay. Oops. It's alright. Are you alright? Hala. You need help? Mommy will do it. Ako na. Akin na mo ng baby mo. Okay. Good job. How about the other one? You have to put this one too, Baba. Okay. Oops. Hulog na naman. Ano ba to? Okay. Let's go. May i-check daw siyang toys.
I need to buy this. That's bullshit.
No, you don't have to buy that one.
That's bullshit.
Daddy can fix it. You already have that one, baby. Put it back. Okay, come on. Put Holly. Baba. Baba. Put this back. Holly.
Where?
Up. Here, give it here. I don't know. Someone. Mayroong kumuha. Linagay lang sa sa floor. Okay, come on. Wow, ka dyan.
This is a big baby.
Yeah, you cannot handle that one. That's too big for you. Okay. You still have babies at home. That's enough. To check show.
I only have this.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Mag-grocery pa tayo. Hurry up.
I want to have a cute baby.
Ang cute. Ang cute nga, no? That's cute.
Buy it?
No. I don't have
I like it.
Yeah, we don't have money now. Ang dami mo ng baby. Come on, let's go. Next time. Okay?
Mom, I already have this.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
No, I didn't.
No, you don't.
I need to buy one. When Father Christmas.
Huh?
At Father Christmas.
Yeah, you asked Father Christmas. Okay, let's go. Ito parang totoo. Tingnan mo. Parang siyang totoo. Ang itsura niya.
Flying?
No, it's not. Okay, let's go. Tara, magbayad na tayo. Come on. Okay, just touch, okay? Okay. Okay, let's go. Hurry up. Good girl. Ang dami niyang nakikita. Come on. Oy, hurry up. Calls pa tayo, Baba. Yeah, cute doggy. Yeah. Okay, come on. Okay. Kitchen. Okay, come on. Yeah. Hurry up. Yeah, they're all cute. Come on. Bye-bye, Baba now. Bye.
I like it.
Yes, okay, let's... Come on. Thank you. Baba, come on. Lagay muna natin yung ating mga pinamili dyan sa Kmart. And kunin ko yung... Wait, no, we're not going. We're going to Kohl's. Kohl's naman tayo. Okay. Okay, closed. Gustong-gusto niya siya nagsasara. Okay, let's go.
Hey, look. You didn't look this.
Okay, sorry.
You didn't look when you don't do Kmart.
I did lock, excuse me. Okay, let's go. Hold mommy's hand, wait. Diba? Si Aling maliit.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Where's that shot?
Calls.
I need to sit down and I got too late.
You want
I got too late.
Gusto niya raw maupo dito. Okay. Uy, come on, let's go. Gusto niyang maupo.
I got too late.
Yep. Kuha tayo ng wipes. Wait, baby. Tayo ng wipes.
What's that?
This one.
Oh, here.
Okay, wipe your hands.
Bye, heat. What is this?
Ang halaman doon. Okay. Yarillas at many. Okay, let's go.
Hey, I need tissue.
Kundo, patulan, upot, kalabasa. Kuha ko ng dalawang asparagus kasi eto maliliit lang. Ayoko yung matataba kasi matigas. So eto dalawa. Barbecue, cheese, and bacon pizza. Tayo nitong dalawa. Anong buy donuts? We're not gonna buy donuts.
These are a bit for my donuts.
Gusto niya ng donuts, oh.
I like those.
Eto.
My favorite.
Huh? No. I'll put it here. Because the icing, Baba. Make sure you don't drop it, ha? Anong sasabihin? Ha? I can't hear you.
Thank you.
Kuha tayo ng French stick. Oy. Slowly. Okay, good girl. Kuha tayo ng Granny Smith or green apples. Dito na lang. Asan yung pink lady nila? Ano to eh? Royal Gala to. Pink lady, eto. Yung walang tama. Kasi si Sak ayaw niya yung may mga butlig-butlig at saka si Kuya. Eto na lang. Alisin muna natin yung asparagus para hindi siya madurog. And kuha ko ng red plums. Pili muna ako. Kumuha ko ng 10. Kuha din ako ng yellow peach kasi eto, gustong-gusto to ni Kuya din. Pero ang gusto niya ay walang tama. Ayaw niya yung may mga, yung parang may mga ganyan-ganyan. Hindi niya kinakain. So, pili lang muna ako. So, 10 ang kinuha ko nito. Yeah? Oh, no. Just put baby next to you. Just put baby next to you. Alright? Okay, what's next? Tomatoes or tomatoes? Kamatis. Say kamatis. Yeah, later. Ito, masarap to. Matamis tong ano. Itong Pirino tomatoes. Meron pang teddy. So, ang kunin ko lang is ito yung scotch finger. Kasi ito yung gusto ni Kuya. Dalawang kinuha ko. 8 pieces sa isang box. So, dalawang kinuha ko. Kuha ko ng salmon. There's no Fritz Baba. Sorry.
You want anything else?
How about Twiggy? Do you want Twiggy? The stick? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Just getting you one. What you gonna say to the lady?
Later.
Thank you. Yummy? Wala na kasing Fritz.
I say you go.
Kuha tayo ng bananas. Yeah, Daddy likes bananas. So this time, ang kukunin ko ay etong raw power. Kasi last time, ang kinuha ko ito, o yung trail mix. Ano lang siya, 4-star. Ito, 4.5. So, itong kunin natin ngayon para sa oatmeal. Ano siya? $3.56. Tayo ng pistachio nuts. Kuha rin ng chocolate cookies kasi si Holly, ito yung gusto niya. Ito yung bili ni Sak. Kunan ko siya nito. Okay, hold that, Papa. Gusto niya ng messy monkeys. Okay, we're gonna get strawberry. Okay, we're gonna be careful not to squash your donuts there, huh? And chocolate. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa aking oatmeal. Ito yung organic almond unsweetened. Ako ng dalawa. Wait, Baba, wait. Excuse me. Remove your hands, please. Thank you. Orange mango. Gusto niya ng twisties. Kuha tayo ng dalawa.
Yummy twisties.
Ito yung V8. Gusto...
So much.
I love you to, Baba. Ito, gustong-gusto to ng mga bata. Iniinom nila to pag, breakfast. And ito yung breakfast. Wait, baby, wait. We have to put our bread here first.
So that was for over.
This one, Holly, the apple berry. Do you like the pink one? Like this?
Now we have this is that's not pink, but that's a red one.
This is not red. This is pink.
This is the pink one.
Yeah, this is pink as well.
No, that's red.
This is not red. This is pink.
It is red.
Kuya likes this.
And I'm not thinking of.
Alright.
Chona, mommy.
I love you too. And kuha ko nito, dalawang tropical. And maganda to kasi, siya, sa healthy, rating, 5-star siya, oh. Ayan, kita nyo, 5-star siya. Kaya, eto na yung binibili ko, lagi ngayon. Yummy.
I like that one.
Yeah. Hinahanap ko yung V8 na green. Naalala nyo yun? Yung green na iniinom ko.
Mom, I love you so much.
I love you too, Baba. Ito kaya, itry ko rin to. Meron daw siyang tatlong, vegetables. I-try natin to. Ito yung vegetable origin. Do you wanna try this as well, Baba? Okay. Pero gusto ko rin yung green. Asang ka green? Ayan siya. Try na. Ito kasi masarap din to eh. Nagustuhan ko to. Okay. Ito natin siya ilalagay. Wait, Baba. Put it here na lang.
No, I don't want to.
Nandito na lang siya.
Mom, I like it.
I know. You do. So, dyan na lang yan. Meron silang bago dito na mash-ups. Cheese. 3 kinds of cheese. Meron Twisties, Doritos, and Cheetos. I-try nga natin. Tuka tayo ng dalawa. Kasi pupunta kami ng Renmark. Pag hindi dito nakain ngayong week, dadali namin yan sa Renmark. And etong, kuha tayo nitong party size na cheese supreme na Doritos. Ayan. What's going on, Baba? Itong chunky Himalayan pink salt. Yeah, pink Himalayan. I will try this first. No. I'll put it here.
I think the box.
It's alright. Kuha pa ako ng isa. Dagdagan natin yun. Kuha ako ng maliit na jasmine rice. Kasi ito yung dadalhin namin sa Renmark. Can I put it here, Baba?
Oh, sure, Mom.
Oh, sure, Mom. Thank you. Kuha tayo ng spiral noodles. Para sa cold noodles ni dyan. Yung orange. Not that one, Baba. Kuha ko nito kasi paubos na yung ganito ni Holly. Ito yung banana boat na sunscreen niya. Mayroon siyang 50 SPF. And kailangan namin to kasi punta kayo ng landmark. Next, etong Friday. And bumili pala ako nito. Ito yung Listerine na pocket packs. Meron siyang 3.
Kuya don't like pink.
You can share it with Kuya.
No, Kuya don't like pink.
I know, but
Like
it's all.
blue.
I know, but it's all right. And kuha ko nito. Ito yung travel size ng St. Ives. Ito yung dadaling ko sa landmark. Baba, hold this for Mama, please. Thank you.
It looks too small.
I know, it's small.
Like you're small.
I am small. Kuha tayo ng slim packet packs na Kleenex. Mababa, hold this, please.
Is that for Kuya TJ?
For us.
1. 2. 1.
Ubus na yung sa bahay pala. Kuha rin ako nito. Ano?
I am told you.
Very cold. Kuha tayo ng eggs.
I told
I know.
yogurt.
Yeah, I will. Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang daming, crack
I didn't told.
na eggs. So, definitely, hindi yan.
This is my room.
Pili muna tayo ng magandang eggs.
My daddy now.
Check ko lang muna to.
My daddy.
So, eto, okay to. Na-check siya isa-isa. Wait, baba. So, sana hindi siya mahulog dyan.
I buy yogurt.
Yes, I will get you yogurt. And orange juice. Nasa? Orange juice, yes?
Wait, Mom.
Yes.
You can't put it too heavy.
Ang daldal niya.
Dad, yes.
Mayroon pa kaming bumili si dyan sa shop. Yeah, we still have milk, Baba. Daddy got from the shop.
Yogurt.
Kuha tayo ng dalawang Yakult. Okay, careful. Alis ka dyan. Saan natin ito ilalagay?
I gotta be careful.
Dito na lang sa mga gilid.
Why not 2?
Okay?
Why not 3, Mom?
Because you love...
Why?
You want yogurt?
Yes.
Manners?
Yogurt.
Manners?
Yogurt.
Damihan natin to kasi dadalhin din namin sa landmark. Strawberries or mango? Mango. Mangoes. Dito na lang
Up there,
siya.
up there, up
Hold
there.
it, Baba, ha?
Up there.
Oh, no, not that one. Apple. Oh my God, nahulog na. Okay, just hold it, Baba. Oh, blueberry and strawberries. Okay. Siya po talagang taga-bukas ng yogurt dito sa Coles. Kuha tayo ng carrots and peas, Baba, and chips. Dito ka sa gilid. Diyan ka muna. Bilhin to ni Jan eh. Kuhaan ko raw siya ng chips. Ito yung super fries. And carrots and peas. Ano natin ito ilagay? Patayang carrots and peas. Andito pa ito siya. Ano? Are you alright? Are you done? Done? Okay, let's go. Kuha tayo ng butter and then napi mo pala. Wala ka ng napi. Nasaan yung butter ni Daddy? Ito yung floral. Original.
Mommy, what's this?
Oh! Okay, let's go. Ano na lang? Napi.
Mama, still hold it.
Your napi. Ah, cheese pala. Yung cheddar cheese. Cheese pa pala. And ham. Oh my God. Yung ham ng mga bata. Ito yung corn pasty. And then ham, napi, and we're done. That's enough pa ba?
No, I don't want to do it. It's so time to do it.
Tingnan mo na yung
It
buhok.
looks like a balloon.
Ang daldal mo. Try ko kaya yung honey. Try ko tong honey.
I want that.
Yep, okay. Napi. And tapos na kami. Number 5 yung si Holly. Nappy number 5. Okay, eto. You're done? Okay, hold your nappy, please.
It's too heavy.
It's alright. Wala na tayong space dun. Oh. Okay, bayad na tayo. What did you say? Finally. Tapos na kami dito sa
I
falls.
said finally.
Kaya magbabayad na kami.
I said finally.
Anong oras na?
I said
Ala, 5:30. Ala, 6:30 na. Nasa bahay na yung mga boys kasi sabi ni Jan 5 o'clock sila darating sa bahay. Hapon na tayo. Hindi hapon, gabi na kami. Bayad na kami dito. Mag-line up na tayo, Baba. Are you tired?
No, but
Good girl. Dito tayo.
The sun is coming up again. Looking like it's gonna be a problem. Cause I'll be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you. Cause I just wanna feel like this. Oh, all I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
Yes, I
Move it to your place again.
Thank you. Have a good night. Yes. Maraming stickies tayo ulit. Lagay ko na lang yung dito. Thank you. Good night. Yep. Okay, Holly, let's go now. Good girl, Baba. Why you have a small nappy? Because you only use at night, Baba. You don't need a lot of nappies now. Huh? You wanna hold that one? Okay. You wanna carry? Okay. It's not heavy? Okay, wait for mommy. Mommy first. Finally. Okay. I know, let's go. Wala na kunti na lang yung cars kasi gabi na. Yes, finally. Kanina niya pa yan sinasabi. Okay, wait for mommy. Wait, there's a car.
Problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you. Cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
Stop ko dito sa may Aldi. Sana bukas pa siya kasi sabi 7 o'clock magsasara. Ano na 6:40 na. Sana bukas pa sila. Come on, Papa. Ay, Papa. Ay, dala-dala. It's alright, the baby. You don't need to bring your baby. Nakabag na siya. Come on. Sana bukas pa. Come on, Papa, here. Bukas pa naman, pero magsasara na sila. Come here, Papa. May titingnan lang ako dito. Come on, Papa. Hurry up, baby. Nakabag ka pa talaga. Nag-a-announce na. Closing na raw sila. Hindi ko na mahanap yung hinahanap ko. Itong isa. Uy, magsasara ng Aldi. Nagli-lipstick ka pa. Come on. Pauwi na tayo. Saka ka palang nagli-lipstick. Come on. Kaya pala dinala niya yung bag. Alright, come on. Let's go. At Kmart? Okay, come on. Bahay na kami, guys. Si Holly nakatulog. Hindi ko alam kung nandito na yung mga boys kasi pag narinig nila yung car na nasa garahe na, lumalabas sila. Parang walang sumalubong sa akin. Baka wala pa sila. Alas 7 na eh. Sabi ni Jan, wala pa sila. Oh, wala pa ang mga boys. Are you here? Bakit tinataguan nila ako? Kuya? What are you doing? Hoy!
Miss Holly.
Sleeping.
Jeez.
Sabi ko walang sumasalubong sa akin. Nagtago pala sila dyan. I heard you. Hi, Zach! I heard someone. Hi, Han. How are you?
Good.
Good. Ay, Kuya, how are you? I heard you. Kaya sabi ko, hindi nila ko sinasalubong.
This water, it's my water.
Alright. Are you sick? May cold si Kuya. How's your eyes? Let me see. Close. Ayan. Mayroon pa rin na purple. Ginigising ni Jan si Holly. Sabi ko, hindi nila ako sinasalubong. Ay, ba't kasi nila yung yung shed? Tawa sila. Han, open the shed. Sinara ko yung shed. Yung mga grinosery ko pala. Ang kulay. Corn. Ah, the corn sticky. Maybe. Hinahanap niya yung sticky. Hoy, boys, help mommy, please. Oh, miss na miss ang daddy. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go, boys. Si Kuya nag-ano.
So you know how to make cotton candy?
Hey, you're not.
You got cotton candy.
Yes, but you have to
Can
eat
I
your.
come tonight?
Yeah, but you have to eat your tea first. Naglalagay kami ng empty bottles dito para hindi ba. Okay, Kuya. Ayan ba? Ay, wait. Wait, I think I need to move. I'm not sure. Han, do you think it's alright? Kasi feeling ko
No, it could be on this part.
Okay, try. Don't. Wait, let Daddy do it. Let Daddy do it, honey.
What?
This one, do you think it's alright?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, careful. Ayan, nilalagay dyan para hindi siya tumama. Okay. Kuya, you're coughing.
I coughed the whole way.
Han, open that one, please.
Mom, I coughed the whole way here.
Yeah.
I'm
You have-
like this in the sink.
You have to take medicine. The nappy, akin na to.
What's all that?
What?
Mom,
Hmm.
I want to get up here.
Close the vlog. What?
Carry stuff in.
I'm not just trying to get inside first.
Okay. Huh? Come on, Zach. Help Daddy.
Go now.
Good job, Bobo. Careful with the eggs, huh?
Yeah, I've got it.
Zach, what are you doing?
No.
He's got something.
You alright, Baba? Ito yung akin. Okay, boys, you have to come back. Careful, Baba. That's too heavy. Let Kuya do that. Okay? You can't. It's heavy.
Too much.
Yeah. Wait for Daddy. Okay. Careful, Zach. There's eggs there, okay? Careful. Yeah. Careful. Ito na lang yung potato sa akin. Okay, Baba? Okay. Akin na to, ha?
They don't want more, Dad.
Okay. Done. Put away. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Let's close the vlog.
Bye, guys.
Kasi nakita niyo naman kung anong mga pinamili namin.
Penny.
Yeah, later after dinner, okay? After dinner. Okay, boys, let's close the vlog first. Hurry up.
See ya.
Baba.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
vlog.
Bye. cooking. Bye, guys. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Inutusan ko si Sak na diligan yung aking mga herbs. Thanks, Sak. You right? Thank you, Nak. Kasi si Kuya dapat. Kasi si Kuya may sakit. How about this one, Baba? Knock here. Yep. Good? Oh, sorry.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.